Over 200 schools are performing worse than expected. The revelation came from the Education Ministry following the launch of the 2022 Jamaica Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey. Romarda Lyons reports.
225. That's the number of schools identified to be operating at an unsatisfactory level by the National Education Inspectorate. Education Minister Favour Williams says there's an extra layer of focus on those schools. But how?
We have targeted those schools with the 3 different literacy programs. You might have heard of the creative language-based learning program. We have that in some of our schools. These are programs that we really need to scale up so that more of our schools have them.
Another tool, the Oral, Read, Respond, Oral, Write, ARROW program.
We've been piloting these initiatives, and we are very, very happy with the results that we're seeing because we're able to move children 2 and 3 grade levels in a short period of time.
The newly released 2022 Jamaica Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey revealed that 94% of children aged 2 to 4 years are developmentally on track. It also stated that 99% of children are completing primary education and 95% of adolescents aged 17 to 19 have completed grade 9. On the flip side, students aged 7 to 14 are underperforming in numeracy and reading. In addition, only 50% have acquired foundational numeracy skills. So what does this mean for the ministry?
So it's a matter now of us scaling it up. And when I say scaling it up, I mean having it in more schools so that we can begin to see appreciable difference in literacy and numeracy across the school.
Ms. Williams explained that a lot of the issues can be fixed at the early childhood level.
We see where access to age-appropriate reading material. We see the importance of greater parental involvement with their children's education. And we note those. We do have the National Parent Support Commission. We're looking to shore that up so they can reach more parents.
The minister says the goal this year is to connect with at least 100,000 parents. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.
And still ahead in Primetime News, we have the business review and international stories, so please stay with us.